All right, we're here at Dignity Health Sports Park. A couple people, tailgating around here. We're gonna head over to the stadium, go inside, and it should be a fun game. The tailgates in the parking lot weren't the only pre-game parties. The two big supporter groups, the Angel City Brigade and the LA Riot Squad, who I'll tell you more about later, both host get-togethers in their designated areas around the stadium. So my friend John just got a free ice cream from over here. I don't know why, they just gave it away.
Yeah, they just gave it away, but you can start for raffles.
Interesting. Well, you take your drumstick. I'm good right now. Pretty cool. Of course, we had to check out some of the pre-game festivities as we walked in. This means playing some games and getting some prizes. So I just did this spinning game over here for the Galaxy. I won a wristband. So pretty good start to the day, pretty good start. What'd you win? Hand? If you're looking for the main team shop, head over to the south end of the stadium for the LA Galaxy team store. Right by the team store, there are some displays highlighting the Galaxy's charity efforts, as well as an art piece showing off their uniforms. The concessions are pretty standard, but the crew here in Carson manages to give a little variety to choose from for the fan. Of course, there's pizza with the typical pepperoni and cheese options, as well as providing salad and other stadium fare. They also sell burgers here, each one with its own unique topping, and even creating new ones depending on the match. At the taqueria stand, they sell margaritas and tacos specifically created for the match. I'm a little surprised they didn't have more to offer at this vendor. At the Benihana stand, they had bowls and other dishes to offer. This is by far the most unique stand I saw. I just never thought I would see a Benihana at a sporting event. At the Buffalo stand, they sold wings and fries, and man did it smell good. Out of all the stands, this is the one I'm most excited to go to next time I'm here for a match. They also have a feature here where you can order concessions by phone. So far, it seems like it only works with drinks, but once it gets up and running, it'll make buying food here a lot easier. Okay, so we're here now in our seats. They're okay, not too bad, but still a bit of time before the game starts, so we're just gonna chill out, relax, and just wait for kickoff to start.
Defender number 3, Diego.
So of course I want to show off the two big supporter sections for the Galaxy. The first being the Angel City Brigade. Forming in 2007, they sit in section 121, the north side of the stadium. They are a big part in creating a strong, welcoming atmosphere for the Galaxy and an even stronger hostile atmosphere for the visiting side. In the southeast corner sits the LA Riot Squad in section 137 and section 138. They were created when fans were challenged by then-keeper Kevin Hartman to form a supporter group of about 100 people by the start of the 2002 season. The best part about them is their responses to the announcement of the other team's lineup.
17, Corey Beard. Headed forward, number 50, Sam Johnson.
I would be remiss if I didn't mention the Galaxians, the first and original supporter group of the LA Galaxy. Having been here since 1986, the first season for the Galaxy, they reside in section 122, and while they may not be big in numbers, they still add noise to the match. At the end of the day though, with all their chanting and support combined, it creates a memorable atmosphere and surely spurs on the home side.
Scored in the 16th Thank you. Scored in the 78th minute by number 9, Zlatan. 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 Thank you.
That's going to wrap it up for another episode here. Let's try to make it happen more soccer games, hopefully. Maybe an LAFC and LA Galaxy game. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. More episodes are coming.